Understanding Test Socket, an English learning guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, test socket. This phrase might sound technical, but it's quite straightforward once you get to know it. So, let's dive in and understand what test socket means in different contexts. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, test and socket. The word test can mean a procedure intended to establish the quality, performance, or reliability of something, especially before it is taken into widespread use. On the other hand, socket often refers to an electrical device into which another device can be inserted. When we combine these two words, we start to get a clearer picture of what test socket might mean. Electrical context. In an electrical context, a test socket is a special type of socket used for testing the performance or functionality of electronic devices. It's a temporary setup used by technicians to ensure everything is working correctly. Non-electrical context. However, the term test socket can be used metaphorically in non-electrical contexts. For example, in a business setting, someone might refer to a test socket when talking about trying out a new strategy or idea in a controlled, small-scale environment before implementing it on a larger scale. To help you understand better, here are a few example sentences. 1. The engineer used a test socket to check the circuit board. 2. Our team is using a test socket approach to experiment with the new marketing strategy. And that's a wrap on test socket. I hope this explanation helps you understand how this phrase is used in different contexts. Remember, English is full of such phrases that might seem confusing at first but make perfect sense once broken down. Keep practicing, and you'll master them in no time. See you in our next video.